What if you could build an entire Mediterranean village without modeling every building from scratch? In this course, you'll create a reusable modular kit in Blender, then turn it into a complete environment inside Unreal Engine 5. Hi everyone, Luke here from 3D Tudor and welcome to the Greek village environment, blended to Unreal Engine 5. Throughout this course, we'll be creating a bright stylized village inspired by the Mediterranean and Greek island architecture. The main focus of this course is not to simply create one finished scene, it is learning how to work faster and more efficiently by building a modular kit that can be reused, reshaped, and adapted through the project. This allows us to create several buildings and architectural forms whilst keeping the kit consistent and easy to work with. Once the kit is imported, you'll be able to focus on the enjoyable part, combining the pieces, experimenting with the different layouts, and constructing your own village environment directly inside Unreal Engine 5. The course includes a complete resource pack containing materials, references, geometry node setups. The materials themselves use a relatively simple, seamless texture workflow, but we'll be able to show you how to get the most out of them. You'll learn how to correct UVs, bevels, lighting, tangents, and ambient occlusion can help simple forms feel much more defined and polished inside Unreal Engine. You will learn how to surround the village with rocks, soften the architecture using vegetation, and use the Unreal Engine 5.8 foliage workflow to repurpose existing plants and trees into custom bushes and shrub variations. This helps us to create a rich environment without needing a completely separate asset for every single plant. So let's open up the resource pack, take a look at what's included, and begin creating your village.